How to see profit on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to see profit on Kraken. To see your profit on Kraken, you'll have to track your trading activity and calculate your profit manually. Here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure to log in into your Kraken account, and then you need to navigate to your trading history section. This section will display all your past trade on Kraken. Now in the trade history section, you'll need a list of all your executive trade that includes such as date and time of the trade, the trading pair, example Bitcoin or USD. So the type of trade that is buy or sell, the quantity of cryptocurrency trader, and the price at which the trade was executed as well. In order to calculate your profit or loss for each trade, you'll need to compare the price at which you bought the cryptocurrencies or sold the cryptocurrencies with the current market price. Accordingly, you can also consider the fee. After that, once you've calculated the profit or loss for each individual trade, now total them up to get overall profit or loss from your entire trading activity in Kraken. If you prefer, you can also use external tracking tools or portfolio management software to monitor your profit or loss across multiple exchanges and wallets. So that's how you can see profit on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.